The object of the game is to serve and volley over the middle line. The game can be played with one or two players in each court, singles or doubles. The serve must go over the center line on one bounce. If the ball hits any line, goes out of bounds, or the player misses the ball, they are out and they go to the weight line.
This is the game of doubles foursquare. It is played with 2 players in each box. This is the multiplication game. The object of the game is to challenge the opposing team to solve multiplication facts by throwing your beanbags into blank squares on the game board, which the opposing team must answer to earn points. You make 2 equal teams and line up behind the team lines. Place the answer sheet face down in front of the throw line. Do not turn it over until the end of the game to check your answers. Select one player on each team to write down the answers on the scorecard. The first team has their first player stand behind the throw line and toss one beanbag onto one of the blank squares on the game board. If the beanbag lands on a line, you move it to the closest box. The opposing team must try to solve the multiplication fact together and write their answer on their scorecard. They are finding the product of the 2 factors. The first player on the second team then will throw a beanbag onto the game board, and the opposing team will answer on their scorecard. This will continue until all beanbags are thrown. Do not step over the throw line when throwing. When finished throwing and answering, both teams will exchange their scorecards. They will go to the throw line, turn over the answer sheet, and check their answers. For every correct answer, the team earns a point. The team with the highest number of points is the winner. Who won? Was it a tie? Excellent. A tie. You all know your multiplication facts. Yay. The object of the game is to score points by throwing beanbags into the high-scoring areas of the shuffleboard court. Players from each team alternately take turns throwing the beanbags. After a player throws, he or she goes to the weight line. The beanbags must not be touching any line of the scoring area to count as a point. Do not step over the throw line. Otherwise, if there is a point earned, it does not count. When all beanbags have been thrown, players walk to the end of the court and add up their points. The team with the highest number of points is the winner. This is the track. All users travel counterclockwise, following the arrows painted on the track. The walkers use the outside lane. Runners use the inside lane. When passing, runners or walkers pass on the left and say, "On your left."